Hello friends, I hope whoever watching this video is safe and sound out there. Guys, Abhyuday is here with our first video. Oh no, math. I'm sure some of you must have given same reaction. But don't worry guys, we'll make it easy for you. You will assure you will enjoy this video. So let's get started. We'll start with number system part 1. So what will this topic includes? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, number line and real numbers. I know there must be lots of questions in your mind. Why to learn number system, what are its types, where it is used. So let's answer all these questions one by one. Why to learn number system? Friends, from waking up in the morning till going to the bed at night, numbers are integral part of our life. You wake up at 7 o'clock where you need number for reference. While having lunch, you may eat 3, 4 or 5 chapatis. Here also you require numbers for reference. While buying new house, you need to know the area of that house. Where also you use numbers only. My friends, you must be aware now how important role number play in our life. What are the types of numbers? Human has segregated types of number as per his or her need. What are those types? Let's discuss. Natural number. I know everyone likes shopping, right? So let's do shopping for shirt. I'll buy 4 number of these shirt. See, I said 4 number of these shirt. I cannot say 1.5 part of this shirt or 2-3 part of this shirt because shopkeeper won't allow me for this, right? He won't give me cutting pieces of the shirts. So conceptually, natural number are the counting number that we use in our day-to-day life. The definition of natural number is all the positive numbers starting from 1 to infinity. Whole number. I know after shopping everyone must be hungry, right? So let's eat an apple. Before eating, we'll share something. So how can you see this apple? It is whole. Like what is synonym for whole? It's complete. Now if you cut it, it get divided. So whole number is a complete number. Okay, it is not in a form of fraction or ratio. Okay, so any number starting from 0 to infinity called as whole number. Now you will ask why 0 is not a natural number. We'll answer this question at the end of this video. Integers. There must be a lot of question mark by seeing this image, right? We'll make it easy for you. Friends, if you go in Kashmir, so what is the temperature? If you go in winter, so temperature must be in negative degree Celsius, right? If you go in Nagpur side in summer region, so what will you see? The temperature reaches up to 45 to 48 degrees Celsius. So increase and decrease of temperature, where do you get from? From thermometer, right? Which gives us all negative and positive temperature values. So this negative and temperature and positive temperature values are nothing but the integers. A complete range of negative and positive numbers forms a integer. I hope everyone is clear till now with natural, whole and integers. Let's move further. Real number. What are the types we have studied yet, like natural, whole, integers are comes under real number. There are some other types also we'll discuss in next videos. Now we'll discuss number line. I personally like this topic because it covers all the types of number. First we'll understand what is number line. A straight line having all types of numbers. It may be vertical, it may be horizontal, but for simplicity we use horizontal only. Okay, when we go from rightmost side to leftmost side, every number is less than previous number. Here you can see 5 is less than 6, 4 is less than 5. I assure if you ask somebody whether minus 5 is less than minus 4, he must say no, minus 5 is greater than minus 4. But my friends, just keep this number line in your mind every time, so you will never fail in telling whether the number is greater or smaller. Okay, now I hope everyone is clear about this basic concepts of number line. So let's combine our number types and number line, so you will get a better knowledge about this both. Natural numbers, a set of all positive integers starting from 1 to infinity. Set of all whole number that is starting from 0 to infinity. On left hand side of 0 all negative integers, and right hand side of 0 all positive integers. If we combine the both, we'll get all the values of integers. Now combine all these types, we'll get the set of real numbers. What are the types of real numbers? Natural, whole, integer, rational, irrational, surds. We have studied these three topics, right? What about these three? Don't worry, we'll come with our next video with rational and irrational number and surds. Now let's learn some interesting facts. Facts about number system notations. What all these letters mean? R, Z, W, N. So R is the set of real numbers. Set we also learn in our some next videos. Z is a set of integers. W a set of whole numbers. And N is the set of natural numbers. Now we'll learn some facts about what is absolute value. This also can be learned from number line only. So any value on number line is an absolute value if you give the shield of these two lines on two sides of that number. If a number is enclosed in these two lines, then you get the absolute value of that number. You call this two vertical bar as absolute value, that is we can notate it like absolute value of minus 5 is 5, or modulus value of minus 5 is 5. So you must be came to know that absolute value of any number is positive only. So my question was, why 0 is not a natural number? Let's count these soldiers, these flowers, these shirts and these candies. Everywhere you will start counting from 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity, or here 1 to whatever the number is. So whenever we count, we start counting from 1 only, not from 0. So counting number starts from 1, not from 0. So 0 is not a natural number. So friends, that's it from my side for this first video. So just stay tuned, stay home, stay safe. We'll meet soon in our next videos. Bye bye.